morning, folks. Clinton Tyler coming to you guys on behalf of Club Cash Fund. Today is Saturday, July the 13th, and I'm excited about my postcards that I just ordered, and they have been shipped. And you're looking at the front side of the postcard, and it says, "Finally, a program that makes earning money simple. Over 11,000 earned in only 3 months, and the company does all the mailing. It's free." Well, that's actually over 13,000, including my wife's account that I manage. And you have a call to action. Call this 24/7 overview number now, 1-888-297-4597, or you can visit my website, imsickofworking.com. And on the back side, there's another call to action. Request your free kit today. And this little caption here, a 100% done for you system. Every starter kit that is requested from your link will be mailed to all of your potential members for free by the company. No stamps or envelopes to purchase ever. That there alone is going to pique somebody's interest. And right here, what do you have to lose? Request your free kit. That's all we want our potential members to do is request the kit, and then let the kit and the phone number do its job. And that's explaining the program to the potential member and closing them for you. And I also have a drop card that I have coming. Get real $100 bills just for sharing your link. To get started earning, request your free kit at imsickofworking.com. And then there's another phone number that gives them the overview, just as the postcard does. So, folks, these are going to be eye-catching. I'm going to fold those in half, drop them in high-foot traffic areas, put them in credit card slots that pay at the pump, gas stations, ATM machines, right down at the bottom of an ATM machine on the ground, in grocery stores, even clothing stores. I might put some in the pockets of clothes for people to try on. I mean, everywhere. Anywhere you can think of is a good place for it. I mean, because these seldom get thrown away. If they don't pick them up and toss them back down, they're going to keep them and play a prank on somebody. But eventually, these are going to fall in the hands of people who are going to be curious and call that number or go to your domain name or website link. So once again, Clinton Tyler here, just showing you guys a couple of marketing methods that I'm about to deploy. And hey, you don't always have to do videos like this one. And this is just a video to show you. You can also do offline advertising. So hey, Clinton Tyler coming back for you guys with Club Cash Fund. Sorry, I'm getting kind of, my throat's a little sore today. But anyway, I'll be back with you guys on another video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.